Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we've got a Ford Transit Custom in, and this one has had a KENWOOD 8021 with the original unit taken out. Steering, parking sensors are still working. This now has a 3-year warranty because it's fitted through authorized Pro Install Dealer, and we're based in Cardiff. B&B Audio Concepts. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless but also cabled if you need to use it, USB for charging and video, and a HDMI for a Fire Stick, etc. Full touch screen, and the rest is kind of straightforward, and DAB as well. What we've also done to this is add a reverse camera, which, if I could do this while I'm filming, gives you the rear camera as well. All right, something like this interests you, please give us a ring. We're based in Cardiff. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.